This Mitsubishi Gallant. As you can see, when you come in and you turn a key, look, nothing. Oh, there it is. But most of the times, nothing, as you can see. So if you got no clicking, no starting or nothing, it just kind of lights come on the dash. It's a good chances this the switch here, ignition switch, it's fine. Sometimes it gets loose. As you can see, this one is moving back and forth. See this? So that means it's not connecting with the key inside. So if you push this down a little bit, as you can see, it's moving. So you push this down and you turn the key now. There you go, starts. And again. And if you release this back and try it, you see there's nothing. But if you push this again, this ignition switch, push it down, starts. So normally what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tie this back down like this with something. So it stays like that. As you can see, it's kind of has some play. Or you can just replace it, but I wouldn't recommend it. Just kind of tie it down with something, zip tie or something. And it should be fine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next one.